Hi everybody, welcome back to J Hunto's Garage. Today, I'm replacing ball joints in the lower control arm for Project Oddball. Look out! Which should be applicable to 93 to 2002 4th gen Camaros. This is not easy. I have a new ball joint. I will say I have already replaced the bushings, both the lower control arm bushings, which was no easy task to press those out. Press the old ones out and the new ones in. I am using this kit to do it with, and this kit comes with 0 instructions, and you have to have some kind of mechanical ability in order to just to figure out how this thing works. This is not for the newbie doing this, so if you're I'm by no means a newbie, and I had a hard time figuring it out because I don't use the kit all the time, and it's a lot of trial and error, hit and miss. So I'm going to show you how I changed this ball joint. And to be fair, this kit is a ball joint kit. It's called it's actually called a U-joint service set. Yeah, I could see it being used for U-joints, but you know any U-joints that big? U-joints that take something like that? I don't get it. So anyway, this kit did work for changing the control arms, pressing the old ones out, pressing the new ones in. It did work, but boy, figuring out the right combination of sleeves and anvils, these guys here, was pretty difficult, and it took hours. To get it done right. And the you can buy these for, I think they're $145 maybe, worth every penny. Comes with new bushings, new ball joints, and it's done. It's take out the old, put in the new. Piece of cake. So let me show you what I'm going to do with this guy. This is your lower control arm. This is your ball joint. There is nothing wrong with this ball joint, neither one. But since I got it out, I've cleaned it up. I'm going to paint it, and I've replaced the bushings and the ball joints just to say that I did. Thought it was going to be a lot easier, but I'm going to go ahead and change the ball joints in these just because. This far deep in it, so might as well get it done. This is where you have to find out what fits where. The ball joint is going to be coming out this way, straight down through. So getting this apparatus set up is not an easy task. Got to find something that fits, and if you rent this toolkit, try and keep everything the way it came in here so that you don't get things messed up, which you can very easily do. sake of time, I've already got this guy out. Let's install the new ball joint. I've cleaned up the inside of the control arm there so that this should slide in there pretty easy. Should. You're going to need a lot of leverage for this. Okay, so here's an example of a really screwy combination. Big socket type fitting here. I don't even know what you call these. This and this all makes that.